In this lecture, we're going to learn how to create a Facebook quiz. And I have a quiz called "Which luxury item are you?" as the result of importing a demo quiz. So let's edit the quiz. What I recommend you to do is to take a demo quiz and see how it's made, and then modify it to create your own custom quiz. We could create an entertaining quiz, but what I want to show you how to do in this lecture is to create a quiz that is going to promote luxury watches. So first, we change the title of the demo quiz. Let's create a title that's gonna attract attention from people who see our quiz. So the title for our Facebook quiz is "What's your luxury watch style?" Below we see the quiz type Facebook quiz. And let's now look at how this quiz is structured. What is special about this quiz type is that we only have one single question here. There is a title in the question. In this case, we'll modify the title to match with the main title of the quiz. In other words, the title we have above is the way your quiz is going to be displayed in your list of quizzes. And the title of the question is how your quiz is going to be displayed on your page of a blog or a website, or in your post. We're going to just duplicate that title. All right. And we can also provide an image for the title. Let's preview what we already got. It's not exactly what we want. Let's ignore it for now. And here we have to provide the description. Find out which luxury watch suits you the best. Now let's see what we can do with the cover image of the quiz. Let's open it in a new tab. And you can see the dimensions, 900 by 470. So you don't have to exactly match these dimensions, but try to find a similar image so it looks more natural. Let's go to Pixabay. Let's type in watches. And just try to find any cool images with watches and select one to use. Now this one is not very attractive, even though it has a face of a person, but if you like it, you can use it. I would still choose this one. Let's download it. Now let's get back to our quiz. And let's just change the image. Use this media. And let's preview it. Alright. You can provide the image credit if needed. Let's save the changes. And don't forget to save draft periodically. And the rest, we only have different results. You can have as many results as you want to, but first let's check out the styling tab. So we have the question font color. This is what we have written. The question is going to be black. Then we have the result title color. It's white. Result title font size is going to be 30. And we can choose different font sizes for our result. You can experiment with these ones. And here is a very important option. As we have already seen, Facebook quiz is a special type of quiz that works with a user's Facebook profile. And WP Quiz Pro has two options. It can either work with the main user's profile image, or it can work with a friend's profile image. You can select this one or this one. In order for you to use the friend's profile, that friend will also just like the main user, will also need to authorize your Facebook app. And the last one here is settings. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You can promote the plugin, you can embed code, and you can display share buttons. Now let's get back to the content tab. Let's open one of the results to see how it's created. So we have the result title, and the result title can have different variables in it. And you can find information about variables over here. For example, the word user first name surrounded by double percentage symbols. You put it in the title if you want to substitute it for that user's first name who logs in through Facebook to take the quiz. The next one is last first name, user's last name. Actually, it's a variable that is going to take and display that user's last name, but only his first last name. Next, we have friend's first name. It is a variable that's going to take one of your friend's first name. And the last variable here is friend last name. They have a typo there. It should be friend last name, surrounded by double percentage symbols. So now let's check out the image of the result. You can preview the image over here. The result image is the most important part of the Facebook quiz type. Let's take a closer look at how it's structured. So at the top of the image, you have title text, and you can move it left, you can center it, or you can move it right. So you can position it the way you like. And the title is exactly what you have here in the result title field. It's going to be put at the top of the result image. Below the title, we have this photograph template, or it's better to say user profile template. We can move it and position it the way we like. And as you can see, behind that, it's a static image. But it was created just to help us position this template and overlay it correctly. And we can change the shape of that user image template like this. There's a runner over here. You can make it round or you can make it square and in between. Everything else on the picture, including the airplane image, is static. This text is static. So there are two things that we need to overlay on the result image. It is the title that we overlay on this results image. And it's the user profile picture or a friend's profile picture if we choose to use a friend's picture. So now let's get back and see how we can modify this template to match our needs. We're going to display that user's name who's taken a quiz by using a variable luxury watch style is. In the description, we will put the text that is going to be displayed under the result image. Alright, now we're done. As you can see, I've used HTML tags here in the description. So I've used the strong tag, and then I left almost the same description as we had in the demo quiz. Now we save changes and save draft. Here's what we're going to do next. We're going to preview this quiz. Log in through Facebook. We can notice that the text has overlaid and the profile picture has overlaid pretty much correctly. Here's what we do. We open this result image in a new tab, and we're going to use these dimensions to create a new one or new ones for our quiz. Let's go to Canva. It's free, but obviously you can use any other image editor like Photoshop. You click use custom dimensions. And now we're going to create several images for our results. but we're going to make them the same size, or they're going to have the same dimensions.